Today I'm going to review the Craftsman 8-tool combo kit. We're going to do an unboxing and see what this thing's all about. You know, I've had good luck with Craftsman. I think they have quality stuff. It's great. It's gonna get the job done. I couldn't justify purchasing the DeWalt kit with only 7 pieces for $679. An extra over almost $300 more than this kit. Or I take that back, a little over $200 more than this kit. And this comes with an extra piece. So I think at some point you're just paying for a brand. I'm super happy about this. And keep in mind this stuff comes with a 3-year warranty. And you know, you have the option at checkout to purchase the extended warranty. I personally never do that. I'm usually happy with the warranty it comes with. So this thing has a great feel to it. It's a nice weight, quality parts. We got our rubber handle. It doesn't feel like just a big hunk of plastic, you know. And we got our safety switch. That's where the battery would go. Safeties. Great size, easy to work with. You can get a lot done with this thing. Rubber. Cut into some metal, you know. Get your stuff done. Yeah, mine. A good old impact. Feels great. Feels great. Got our drill, 16, or whoa, I thought it was 16 speed. I'm pretty sure it is, but we got the number 23 on here. So we'll call her a 23 speed. Don't take my word for it. But man, is she a beaut. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Look at that. We're gonna cut some PVC with this bad boy. We're gonna get things looking right. We're gonna get things looking right. We're gonna get things looking right. I'm loving it. And I'm not returning it, that's for sure. Hey Fred, I can't see down there. No worries. Thanks to my Craftsman kit, I got a little light bulb thing. Looks like we can go all over the place with it. We got a 90-degree viewing radius, probably more like 91 or 92 degree. And we're gonna have a good time with this thing. We might even play flashlight tag after the day of work is done. Wow, this wood is really rough. The wood is rough. Thankfully, with my Craftsman's kit, I can pop the battery on there and I can go to town. I can go to town. I can get that thing smooth again. On and off switch right here. Beautiful design. I'm really happy with this purchase. Not too big, but also not too small. It's a great size. It's red, so you're not going to lose it. The battery is phenomenal. The battery is phenomenal. 20 volt, 2.0 lithium ion, 20 volt, okay? If for whatever reason you lose that one, don't worry, they give you 2. This is great. Again, red with the top, hard to lose, but like I said, if you lose it, it's okay because they give you another one. Great readings to tell you whether the battery is low on charge or not. I'm looking. Okay, great. 20 volt max, okay, great. Same thing. Only disappointment is that we can only charge one at a time, but that's okay because the other battery will be on a tool and the tool will be going to work because if there's a battery available, we're gonna be using it because we work. That's what we do. We are craftsmen and we work with our tools. We don't let them sit on chargers. So this is great. We really only needed one slot. We didn't need two. This is great. This is beautiful. Your friend calls you up, and the only time he calls you is when you need help. Don't worry, it's not gonna be a problem. You have bags to carry your brand new tools in. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. We can go all over the town with this. It looks as if the bags expand, okay? So they have a deep radius, a deep pocket, and they really open up. We're gonna fit a lot of tools in these bags alone, if not most of them, all of them, okay? And we can go to our friend's house. Again, the only time he calls us is when he needs help, but that's okay because we have the tools to get the job done. And that's our purpose in life. Thank you for watching this unbiased review by yours truly, Mr. Lang. How'd that come from? We're gonna continue, we're gonna get these batteries charged up and we're gonna do our work. We've run into a limited space issue, so we're working in our storage unit. Why not? Well, the only problem with storage units is you don't have an outlet. So that's why we have all these battery powered tools. We're gonna get it done. That's what we do. We are craftsmen. Craftsmen and craftsmen get it done. Roger that. How great is this? Comes with the light. This thing's really moving. Heck yeah. Beautiful. Doesn't smell like it's breaking. I'm gonna send it. This is beautiful. We're gonna sawzall the out of some things. Straight up. We are gonna sawzall the out of some things. Again, we work a lot at night, so this light is really genius. Do you hear how clean that sounds? You can barely hear it. Heck yeah. I'm totally gonna drill off the locks on my windows when my mom's asleep so I can sneak out again. This is genius.